Hi guys, today we are going to drill holes in some plastic gemstones. So these two stones look pretty much the exact same. They're even roughly the same size. On the back you can see that the stone on the left has pre-drilled holes and the one on the right does not. So I'm going to take my tool here, and the way I hold it is I place my index finger on the top and then grasp the tool between my thumb and my middle finger, and working from the front of the stone so I can choose where I want to go in. I'm going to look for a flat faceted part on the plastic stone. I'm simply going to start rotating the drill between the middle finger and the thumb while holding it steady with the index finger. And it doesn't take long to grip onto the stone, going in at roughly a 90-degree angle to the faceted section on the stone. Rotating through. Just a side note, while we drill, I have occasionally found older plastic stones that are so dense that I was unable to drill them, even with a fresh new drill bit. So that does happen, but on most of them, the plastic is actually fairly soft, relatively speaking, and the drill works really well. And we're making headway here. Obviously, the thicker the section of stone you go through, the longer it's going to take to drill. Plus, this drill bit's probably getting a little dull. Now maybe you can edit some of this out and just take the beginning part, edit out the middle, and then come back. We're getting close to through. Now if this was on a costume, partially sewn on or partially glued on, I would try to stick my finger of my left hand in between the bottom of the stone and the costume so that I don't drill into the garment, because I suspect that would not be very good for the fabric. And there we are. We are now through. And once it's through, that's all you need. Kind of back it out, dust it off, and there's our hole.